Hi guys and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Hutton. Today I'm doing a Leeds development tour, so stick around and I'm going to dive in right about now.
There's no place I'd rather be. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Hi guys, I'm now in Leeds city centre, walking to LiQWYD. Sorry I ain't done much videoing lately. I ain't really been to Leeds a lot lately either, and I haven't been to Manchester at all. I am going to go to Manchester, but it depends because like I've got a lot going on at the moment, so like it's when I've got some free time and stuff. Look at that is amazing, isn't it? So I'm now walking to LiQWYD. The car is now I don't even know what I'm talking about. The car is now topped out. It's at full height, so that's exciting. I think it was just topping out when I came last time, but now it's at full height, so that'll be interesting to see. The floor slabs don't look too far behind it, which is very exciting. So I've been struggling lately with my mental health and stuff, so I haven't really done much videoing. So I thought if I get out and do some today, at least I've done some and I've caught up with you all. So yeah. So this is Whitehall Riverside. The floor slabs are now topped out. I think they're working on the cladding at the moment. So as you can see, LiQWYD is now topped out. The floor slabs are not far behind, at number 25 I think. It's going at quite a quick pace, and it's making very good progress. So I'm now walking up the viaduct and show you a close-up of LiQWYD and Monk Bridge. From the station up here is like proper tiring. You get your exercise. Leeds is getting a lot like Manchester now. Everything's spaced out a bit more. They seem to be spreading the city out a bit bigger. So this is Triangle Yard. I'm not sure what height this one's at. 21 stories it says there. This is going to be 94 metres once complete. So I bought myself some Korean chips from Hook and Line Fish Shop in Marion Street, I think it is. Just look at them, they look amazing. It's my favourite chip shop. It always has been. It's really nice, and I'm not even being biased. You should come and try it for yourself. It's really, really nice. So this very exciting development is Arena Point, which is the tallest building in Yorkshire. I'm really looking forward to this building because it's going to look amazing when it's complete. The slip fan core is growing very quick, so it's making quick progress. They've already done one floor of the floor slabs, and it's looking superb.